This repair video for the P2000 Error Code is specifically tailored for Mazda drivers. If your Mazda showing up P2000 code, this is for you. This means that the NOx trap, which is part of the vehicle's emissions control system, is not effectively reducing nitrogen oxides. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Nitrogen oxide adsorber or catalytic converter. NOx sensor issues. Vacuum leaks. Faulty oxygen sensor. Wiring. Here are 3 simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. Method 1. Use a catalytic converter cleaner. Use a cleaner of your choice. Simply pour the cleaner into the gas tank. Then, you can drive at least 150 miles. Method 2. Wash the catalytic converter. Now, the first thing you need to do is to remove the catalytic converter from your vehicle. Then take a bucket and put some water and detergent in it. Put the catalytic converter into the solution and soak it for 10 to 12 hours to remove all the crud inside it. Now you see it looks clear and neat. Modify the oxygen sensor. You can remove the oxygen sensor from the converter by putting extra space between the sensor and the converter. And now getting the smart plug non-fouler is now having enough space to fit into the oxygen sensor, and then use a 1/2-inch drill to refit it. By doing this, put them together and put back on the catalytic converter. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles. It is commonly found in Mazda, Subaru, Chevrolet, Ford, Hyundai, Audi, BMW, Volkswagen, Toyota, and Honda vehicles. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.